TikTok. Nag-video ko, hindi ko pala napindot.
Ay, kasali yan.
Ay! Sige na. Oh, sige. Ay, open. Oh, kaya pala. Oh, sige, take to. Sige na. Kasi maliwanag na ang buhay. Sige na, take to. Sige.
Assalamualaikum, Madam and Sir. I am
Parang totoo talaga.
28 years old from Davao City, Philippines. I am applying abroad as a domestic helper in Qatar. I am a first-timer and my expertise is cleaning, washing, ironing, and willing to learn how to cook Arabic dishes.
Like,
I promise to finish my contract and give my best in household chores. Thank you, Madam and Sir. Shukran.